Hello and good morning, guys. So I am Ritam. I came back after so many days, and the thing is that I am going for a field survey along with my friends Akash, Nandan, and also our supervisor Kishore sir will be there also. So let's see what happens. The time is now 6 a.m. and I woke up suddenly, and also it's a very unique moment that I woke up in 6 a.m. So let's see what happened. I have called Akash Bhaiya. He just woke up and our team member is not here. So let them come, and sir is also coming here in near hostel. Then we will move accordingly. So I'll show the Nekpur village and also some study glimpse. So let's continue. This one is my room. Good morning, Nandan.
Good morning.
So we are going for field survey.
Yes.
So let's see what happens. And another person is also here, and you can see his condition. Akash Bhaiya, do you want to say anything?
Yes. No.
How was your sleep?
It was incomplete.
Incomplete. And also for us, it was also incomplete. You are also thinking at 4 a.m. that sir has came at near hostel, and also in 5 a.m. also you are thinking about that sir has came in near hostel. So all total the sleep was incomplete for us three. So let's see what happens. So we are going for office, then we will go for the survey field. So stay tuned. Bye guys. So guys, we just left for our study area. So we have taken the questionnaires printout. We are going towards the Nekpur village. Yes. So let's see what happens for today. Our teacher is here. Sir was asking about helmet, but we don't have helmet. So you can see the area, and this is the library area, and this is the activity office. So let's enjoy the view of our university, and then we will go towards Nekpur and also show you the Nekpur. So we are about to enter our Nekpur village. So you can see the scenic beauty of the Nekpur village. This is a good place for tour, I guess. Yeah, you can see the passage. The trees are covering the passage totally. It's a very nice place. So we are about to reach in Nekpur village. So we all team members are here. So I got the cap. I'm in Nekpur village. So these are all installed by our university. These are water, I guess, what is that? Water recharge. This side is Nekpur. So we have done with our survey. Now we are coming back to our university. So now we are in Katari Gaon and our driver Nandan continuously speeding. You can see his skills here. I think my mobile can fall down. So guys, signing off, and this is for today vlog. So morning survey has been done. So we'll be going back to our university. अरे हाथ बाहर आ जाएगा, रोक दे भाई. So goodbye guys. Let's see if I can reach alive or not. Hey. My friend has came and we are assembled here going for the field survey. So Nandan, what is the update till today?
The objective is
Don't say in Nasa mode.